So today we are going to revise the multiple choice questions covering your syllabus, chapter 1 and 2. Okay. So let us start. I'm first of all filling the details. All right. So one by one, please raise your hand for the answers and I will unmute you. Okay. All right. Which of the following is an example of supercomputer? Yes, Prabjot, unmute yourself.
Sir, option A,
Option A,
ETA
ETA
GF10.
GF10. All right. Next, which of the following is an example of mainframe computer? Cray X MP14, PDP 11, VAX 8842, PDA. Yes, Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, third option, VAX 8842.
VAX 8842. All right. Which of the following is an example of microcomputer? Uh, Dipali, unmute yourself. Dipali, am I audible to you? Unmute yourself. Anshya, unmute yourself and answer the question. Anshya, unmute yourself. Am I audible to you, Anshya? Unmute yourself and answer the question. Yes, Tanveen, you answer. Unmute yourself.
Sir, both A and B.
Both A and B. Correct. All right. Which computer is best suited in hospitals for monitoring the patient's vital sign? Digital, hybrid, analog, param. Yes, who will answer this question? Yes, Anshya, unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible now.
Sir, hybrid.
Hybrid. Okay. Uh, Chaitanya, unmute yourself and answer this question. It refers to set of one or more linked web pages that readers can add or to modify.
Third D option, Wiki.
D option, wiki. Very right. All right. Jia Janvi, unmute yourself. Jia Janvi, bete unmute yourself. Am I audible to you both, Jia and Janvi? Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are audible now. Jia Janvi, sixth MCQ. First, let me read the question. The technology that cater to content-driven fields such as print media, television, radio, publishing industry is called computer technology, content technology, ICT, communication technology.
The content technology.
Content technology, right? All right. Ritika, answer the seventh question. Unmute yourself, Ritika. Ritika, unmute yourself. Dhwani, Ritika, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ritika. Seventh question, Ritika. The encoding scheme that represents a character as a group of 8 bits.
Sir, ASCII.
ASCII, ASCII.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next question. Beta, please, all of you put your hands down. I will name the child myself. All of you put your hands down. Jia Janvi, put your hand down, beta. All right. Then we have next question. Pick out the odd statements from the following. ROM contains set of startup instructions. In ROM, data cannot be easily altered. ROM is non-volatile. Data can be read as well as written in RAM. Yes, pick out the odd statement. This question is for... Yes, Gurupal, unmute yourself. Gurupal, unmute yourself.
So data can be read as well as written in them.
Data can be read as well as written in RAM. Why this is odd one out? Because first three are the statements in connection to ROM. Only this instruction is in connection to RAM. So this is odd one out. Okay. Am I clear? All right. Next question is for Gurleen. Gurleen, unmute yourself. Gurleen, unmute yourself. 13 roll number, Gurleen. Yes, Gurleen. All right. Manyaveet, unmute yourself. Manyaveet, unmute yourself. Manyaveet, 38 roll number. 3 times your name has been announced. Gurshan, unmute yourself. Gurshan.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
Gurshan. 9th MCQ. The laser color in Blu-ray disc is red. True or false?
False.
False. All right. Next question is for Tanveen. Tanveen, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
It is an input device that creates an electronic form of the printed image which can be later manipulated. Mouse,
Sir, C
microphone,
scanner.
C option scanner. Very right. C option scanner. All right. For 11th MCQ, I would like to unmute Kanish.
Yes, sir.
Kanish, 11th MCQ. Let me read the question first. The
Okay,
type of monitor which works in the same way as television and contains an electronic gun.
Sir, CRT.
CRT. All right. For 12th MCQ, Harshit Bedi, unmute yourself. Harshit Bedi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The output device that receives the sound in form of electronic current from the sound card and convert it into sound format. Microphone, speaker, projector, monitor.
Speaker.
Speaker. Very right. All right. This question is for Rajvinder. Rajvinder, unmute yourself. Rajvinder, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rajvinder, the term that refers to altered data which makes it unintelligible to unauthorized users. Encryption, decryption, ciphertext, antivirus.
Sir, decryption B option.
No, beta, it is ciphertext. It is ciphertext. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This question is for Keshav. Keshav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
और वीडियो पे आओ जरा केशव, वीडियो पे आके आंसर दो. Keshav, on your video, then I will unmute you and give the answer. Keshav, am I audible to you? 13th MCQ. The language processor that converts the program written in high-level language to machine language line by line. Assembler, interpret. Let me speak the option first. Assembler, interpreter, compiler, none of the above.
Sir, option B, interpreter.
Option B, interpreter. All right. Next question is for Navedita. Navedita, unmute yourself. General application softwares are also called as packages, utilities, bespoke, packets.
A option, packages.
A option, packages. Very right. All right. This question is for Dharya. Dharya, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Dharya. Set your mic properly, Dharya, and unmute yourself. Okay, Dhwani, am I audible to you? Dhwani?
Yes, sir.
Dhwani, you answer this question. Which of the following is an example of disk management software?
Sir, D option, all above.
Free Commander, Explorer++, Pathfinder, all above. Yes, the answer is all above. All right. Harshit Sharma, are you here in the lecture? Harshit Sharma. Raghav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following is an example of special purpose software? Attendance system, Lotus 123, PowerPoint, MS Word.
Sir, option A, attendance system.
Attendance system. And please mute yourself, Raghav. So much disturbance is coming. All right. Now for 18th MCQ, Prabjot, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Prabjot, read the question carefully first. Pick out the odd statement from the following. MS Word, WordPerfect, AbiWord, MS Excel, Lotus 123, OO Base, MS Access, Oracle, MySQL, operating system, language processor, utilities.
Sir, option B.
Yeah, this is odd one because first two are the examples of MS Excel. Third is the example of database management system. So this is odd one out. All right. Ishani, unmute yourself. Ishani.
Yes, sir.
Ishani, 19th MCQ. Utility software is also called as service routine, service programs, utility routines, all above.
So D option, all above.
All above. All right. Barbie, am I audible to you? Barbie, roll number 6. Am I audible to you? Unmute yourself, Barbie. Barbie, roll number 6. Unmute yourself. All right. So we were on 20th MCQ. Okay, Japji, unmute yourself.
Sir, AVG.
First, let me read the question better. Which of the following does not comes under the category of system software? Windows 10, compiler, OpenOffice, Impress, AVG. Yes, Japji, now answer the question. Beta, which doesn't come in the category of system software, beta? Windows 10 ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, कंपाइलर लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसर है, एवीजी एंटीवायरस है, यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर है. तो ये तीनों तो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर हो गए. ओपन ऑफिस इंप्रेस इज एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर बेटे. ठीक है, ओके जप जी, एम आई क्लियर? राइट. सो दिस वाज योर रिवीजन ऑफ MCQs. okay, so let us revise once again all the answers. Beta, please make sure that before clicking on the submit button, you must give revision to all the answers. Supercomputer, ETA GF10, then mainframe, VAX 8842, microcomputer, both A and B, then monitoring patients, hybrid, then linked web pages, reader scan, wiki, then content driven fields such as print media, television, content technology, encoding scheme which represent group of 8 bits, ASCII. Then pick out the odd, data can be read as well as written in RAM. The laser color of Blu-ray, false. Then input device, create electronic image in form of printed image, scanner. Type of monitor which works in the same way as television, CRT. The output device that receives the sound in form of electronic current, speaker. The term that refers to altered data which makes it unintelligible, ciphertext. बेटा यहां पे आके आपको बहुत कंफ्यूजन होती है, ये ध्यान से समझ लो. The original message is converted into some coded form. Okay, that coded form is called ciphertext. जिस कोड में उसको चेंज किया गया, that code is called ciphertext. राघव, कृष्णा सानी को एब्सेंट मार्क कर दो, वीडियो इज नॉट ऑन. मार्क 33, रोल नंबर एब्सेंट. Then the language processor that convert program in high level to machine level line by line is interpreter. Okay, which language translator converts the high level to machine language in one go? Yes, Tanveen, unmute yourself. In one go.
Compiler.
Compiler, very right, compiler. General application software are also called packages. Which of the following is an example of disk management? Free Commander, Explorer, Pathfinder, all above. Which of the following is a special purpose attendance system? Pick out the odd one. Beta, the second symmetry is not right because first two are the MS Excel softwares, third is the database software. 19th, all the three names are given to utility software. And 20th, OpenOffice Impress is not a system software. Now, when you are confident for all the answers, then click on the submit button. Okay, and later on you can view your score. Right? Answers are properly correct, and here you will see the score. I hope I am clear to everybody. how to attempt the test in Google Form now, right? So I'm shifting to other test. Let us go with the revision of second test in Google Form. This test. Is the test visible? Hirday, Simran? All right. Now again we'll solve this test. I just make the entries. All right. Okay. In IPO cycle, letter P means process, procedure, program, product. Yes, Garima, unmute yourself.
Process, A option.
Input, process, output. Yes, very right. Process. Garima, okay, Garima's turn is over. Simran, bete, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Simran, the question for you is, beta, the part of CPU that performs all arithmetic and logic operations.
Sir, option B, ALU.
Very right, very good. ALU. Shabash. Okay, Harshit Bedi, question for you. Which of the following is or are advantages of computer? High speed, greater accuracy, both A and B, zero IQ.
Both A and B.
Very right, very correct, both A and B. Gurleen Kaur, bete unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta. Fourth MCQ. Pick the odd one out. Input, storage. Let me
D
finish.
option.
D option, hardware. Okay. Gurupal, unmute yourself. Gurupal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta. Fifth MCQ, Gurupal. The computer which is designed to perform some specific task comes under the category of.
Sir, B purpose wise.
B purpose wise. Very right. Dhwani, beta, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Beta, PDA stands for Personal Digital Assistant.
C option, personal digital
Personal
assistant.
Digital Assistant. Shabash. Very good. Now I am satisfied. All videos are on and immediately child is unmuting. Very good. Harshit Sharma, bete unmute yourself now. आज आपकी टर्न बिल्कुल नहीं आई, अब आपकी टर्न है बेटे. You are not audible to me, Harshit. Set your mic. Set your mic, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Harshit, 7th MCQ for you. Which of the following computer is least powerful? Super, mainframe, embedded, mini.
Sir, mini.
No, beta, it is embedded computer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Ishani, this question is for you. 8th MCQ. The computer which deals with discontinuous data. Analog, digital, hybrid, general purpose.
Sir, B option, digital.
Very right, digital. Okay. This question. Ishika, are you here in the class? Krishna Sani, are you here in the lecture? Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Krishna Sani, 9th MCQ for you. The storage capacity of DVD of CD is 650, 750, 1 TB, 700.
650.
No, it's not 650, it's 700 MB. All right, Raghav, unmute yourself. But please, first of all, control disturbance at your home. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following is or are type of DVD? DVD-R, DVD-RW, DVD-ROM, all above.
Sir, all above.
Yes, all above. All right. Navedita, unmute yourself. Which memory is considered as IaaS? RAM and ROM, only RAM, only ROM, hard disk.
A option, RAM and ROM.
Yes, both RAM and ROM are considered as IaaS. Very good, Navedita. Shabash. All right, this question is for okay, all the turn hai. Arshdeep, roll number 4. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Arshdeep, this question is for you. 1 exabyte is equal to 1024 terabyte, 1024 megabyte, 1024 petabyte, 1024 kilobyte.
Option C, 1024 petabyte.
1024 petabyte. Very good, Arshdeep. Okay, this question is for Japji. Am I audible? Japji, am I audible to you? Unmute yourself, Japji. Japji, unmute yourself. Hirday, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Hirday, 13th MCQ.
Yes.
It is not a type of scanner. Flatbed, drum, handheld, photo.
Handheld. C option.
It's D option, photo. It's D option, photo. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. This question is for Gaurav. Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Which statement is not true in the case of secondary storage devices? It is non-volatile, it is temporary, it has large storage capacity, it is not directly connected to CPU.
Sir, it is not directly connected to CPU.
Not true, beta, which is not true.
Okay, sir. Sir, it is temporary in nature.
It is temporary in nature. It is temporary in nature. Very right.